His Excellency Gauremi, President of the Cambodian Human Rights Committee, on 9 October 2025, sent letter to Mr. Balakrishnan Rajagopal, Special Rapporteur on the Right to Adequate Housing, Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Special Rapporteur Brent Palace Wilson in Geneva, Switzerland, on subjects follow-up on continued threats to the right to adequate housing of Cambodian citizens in Cambodia-Thai border. Dear Mr. Balakrishnan Rajagopal, the Cambodian Human Rights Committee, CHRC, respectfully reiterates its urgent appeal dated 15 August 2025 concerning the action of the Royal Thai Armed Forces that have encroached upon Cambodian territory, led by barbed wire fences, block access to homes and farmland, and strengthen the rights and safety of Cambodian civilians living along the border. The Cambodian Human Rights Committee is gravely concerned that, despite the 28 July 2025 ceasefire agreement and the 13-point agreed minutes of the extraordinary GBC meeting of 7 August 2025, Cambodia has received credible reports that Thai military authorities intend to invoke Thai martial law to forcibly and unlawfully evict or remove Cambodian citizens from their homes and land located within Cambodian territory. The Cambodian people who have already been forcibly displaced or are under threat of eviction are enduring immense suffering and hardship. Many families have lived on their land for generations, building not only homes but also communities, livelihoods, and cultural identities deeply rooted in those places. The loss of their homes entails the loss of shelter, safety, security, and access to basic services, leading to homelessness, poverty, and social instability. Children are being forced to abandon their education. The elderly face deteriorating health, and women and other vulnerable groups are placed at heightened risk. The psychological trauma of living under constant uncertainty, intimidation, and fear of losing one's home further compounds their suffering. In this regard, the Cambodian Human Rights Committee respectfully appeals to the Special Rapporteur on the right to adequate housing within your mandate to promote and monitor the human rights on adequate housing, to urgently engage with the government of Thailand to ensure respect for the right to adequate housing of the affected Cambodian people, prevent any further violation, and facilitate appropriate remedial measures in accordance with international human rights standards. The Cambodian Human Rights Committee expresses its deep disappointment that the Special Rapporteur has not yet responded to the urgent appeal, as this continued silence could risk undermining confidence in the United Nations human rights mechanisms and the effectiveness of its special procedures. When communities face imminent displacement, timely engagement and public advocacy from the mandate holder are essential to prevent irreparable harm. The Cambodian Human Rights Committee reiterates its dedication to constructive collaboration under all UN human rights mechanisms. We emphasize the importance of diligent and responsive action from all mandate holders, especially the Special Rapporteur on the right to adequate housing, when addressing the fundamental rights of vulnerable communities. The integrity of the human rights system is contingent upon prompt, unbiased, and effective intervention. The Cambodian Human Rights Committee therefore urges the Special Rapporteur to treat this matter with the utmost urgency and to support Cambodia's call for accountability. We look to the solidarity of the Special Rapporteur in upholding the principle of human rights, international humanitarian law, and justice for victims of unlawful actions. Please accept, Mr. Balakrishnan Rajagopal, the assurances of our highest consideration